the most miraculous new God, the most miraculous new gods, a most miraculous new God, the most miraculous new goddess, the most miraculous new goddesses, a most miraculous new goddess, the most miraculous old God, the most miraculous old gods, a most miraculous old God, the most miraculous old goddess, the most miraculous old goddesses, a most miraculous old goddess, the most miraculous greater God, the most miraculous greater gods, a most miraculous greater God, the most miraculous greater goddess, the most miraculous greater goddesses, a most miraculous greater goddess, the most miraculous lesser God, the most miraculous lesser gods, a most miraculous lesser God, the most miraculous lesser goddess, the most miraculous lesser goddesses, a most miraculous lesser goddess, the most miraculous greater spirit, the most miraculous greater spirits, a most miraculous greater spirit, the most miraculous lesser spirit, the most miraculous lesser spirits, a most miraculous lesser spirit, the most miraculous major God, the most miraculous major gods, a most miraculous major God, the most miraculous major goddess, the most miraculous major goddesses, a most miraculous major goddess, the most miraculous minor God, the most miraculous minor gods, a most miraculous minor God, the most miraculous minor goddess, the most miraculous minor goddesses, a most miraculous minor goddess, the most miraculous superior God, the most miraculous superior gods, a most miraculous superior God, the most miraculous superior goddess, the most miraculous superior goddesses, a most miraculous superior goddess, the most miraculous inferior God, the most miraculous inferior gods, a most miraculous inferior God, the most miraculous inferior goddess, the most miraculous inferior goddesses, a most miraculous inferior goddess, the most miraculous ancestor God, the most miraculous ancestor gods, a most miraculous ancestor God, the most miraculous ancestor goddess, the most miraculous ancestor goddesses, a most miraculous ancestor goddess, the most miraculous ascendant God, the most miraculous ascendant gods, a most miraculous ascendant God, the most miraculous ascendant goddess, the most miraculous ascendant goddesses, a most miraculous ascendant goddess, the most miraculous descendant God, the most miraculous descendant gods, a most miraculous descendant God, the most miraculous descendant goddess, the most miraculous descendant goddesses, a most miraculous descendant goddess, the most miraculous transcendent God, the most miraculous transcendent gods, a most miraculous transcendent God, the most miraculous transcendent goddess, the most miraculous transcendent goddesses, a most miraculous transcendent goddess, the most miraculous future God, the most miraculous future gods, a most miraculous future God, the most miraculous future goddess, the most miraculous future goddesses, a most miraculous future goddess, the most miraculous present God, the most miraculous present gods, a most miraculous present God, the most miraculous present goddess, the most miraculous present goddesses, a most miraculous present goddess, the most miraculous past God, the most miraculous past gods, a most miraculous past God, the most miraculous past goddess, the most miraculous past goddesses, a most miraculous past goddess, the most miraculous God, the most miraculous gods, a most miraculous God, the most miraculous goddess, the most miraculous goddesses, a most miraculous goddess, the most miraculous half-god, the most miraculous half-gods, a most miraculous half-god, the most miraculous half-goddess, the most miraculous half-goddesses, a most miraculous half-goddess, the most miraculous vessel, the most miraculous vessels, a most miraculous vessel, the most miraculous person, the most miraculous persons, a most miraculous person, the most miraculous image, the most miraculous images, a most miraculous image, the most miraculous belief, the most miraculous beliefs, a most miraculous belief, the most miraculous thought, the most miraculous thoughts, a most miraculous thought, the most miraculous word, the most miraculous words, a most miraculous word, the most miraculous action, the most miraculous actions, a most miraculous action, the most miraculous situation, the most miraculous situations, a most miraculous situation, the most miraculous circumstance, the most miraculous circumstances, a most miraculous circumstance, the most miraculous relationship, The most miraculous relationships. A most miraculous relationship. The most miraculous number. The most miraculous numbers. A most miraculous number. The most miraculous formula. The most miraculous formulas. A most miraculous formula. The most miraculous symbol. The most miraculous symbols. A most miraculous symbol. The most miraculous color. The most miraculous colors. A most miraculous color. The most miraculous thing. The most miraculous things. A most miraculous thing. The most miraculous way. The most miraculous ways. A most miraculous way. The most miraculous place. The most miraculous places. A most miraculous place. The most miraculous time. The most miraculous times. A most miraculous time. The most miraculous event. The most miraculous events. A most miraculous event. The most miraculous result. The most miraculous results. A most miraculous result.